Welcome. Today I am with Stumble Guys game and I will show you how you can connect to your Google Play Games application. So when you tap on the right upper corner on the settings, here we got the Google Play. So currently we are not connected, and if you want to connect you have to tap on the login. And after a few moments we are notification that this Google Play account is already linked to our user HardReset.Info. And we would like to switch to the account instead. I think that yes, we can switch, and take a look. Right now the nickname has changed, and also the skins has changed. We got more skins here, and that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.